Meaning of fuel injection.
Fuel injection.
Fuel injection.
Fuel injection.
Fuel injection. Fuel injection is a method of delivering fuel to the engine of a vehicle. It involves the use of a fuel injector, which sprays fuel into the combustion chamber of the engine. The injector is controlled by the engine's computer and delivers a precise amount of fuel at the right time, allowing for more efficient combustion and improved performance. Fuel injection is a replacement for traditional carburetor systems, which were less efficient and more prone to problems. Overall, fuel injection improves engine power, fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions.